Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, as soon as the leaves are gone, my skin dries out like nobody's business, and my sister-in-law recommended beef tallow. Now, I'm so glad she did. So this is the RICHGRAND Whipped Beef Tallow Balm, and it is absolutely incredible. So it comes in a really beautiful glass jar with a tin lid. It is a small size, but this lasts so long. This jar has 100% grass-fed beef tallow. It has pure wild honey and beeswax. So all natural ingredients. It makes for an amazing cream. Now this is whipped. It is so thick and creamy, but it blends in like no cream I've ever used before. For being this thick, I would expect it to feel heavy on my skin, and it doesn't at all. It absorbs incredibly well, and it doesn't leave you feeling greasy at all. The difference this makes instantly in my skin is incredible. You can see that it goes from dry to plump instantly. I also love that I can use this all over my body, including my face. So that is amazing. I use this every morning and night, and it doesn't clog my pores. So if you're in need of some extra moisture, you want that nice, plump, youthful looking skin, definitely try out this product. I'm sure you'll be blown away like I am, and that's my point of view.